few heel raises. So using the wall to help with your balance here, come up onto the balls of your feet. And then lift and lower those heels. Up and down to the ground. Up and down to the ground. You can do this on a yoga block or real sturdy book if you'd like more intensity. You continue to do that, or maybe you come up onto the balls of your feet and wait there, pause there, and then pulse your heels up and down, not allowing them to touch the ground. Pretty big difference, right? If you want to kick this up another notch, transfer your weight onto one leg and hover the opposite leg. So I'm standing on my right leg. And maybe you consider standing on the other leg, hovering. The right, I'm standing on the left, doing some pulses. So there's some work on calf strength right there. And all you needed was the wall. Then I'm going to ask you to come and stand sideways. Place one hand on the wall. If you want to add a side body stretch here, go ahead and bring the opposite arm up and over. Not something our bodies do in general, so it's a great opportunity to stretch those muscles between your ribs. It feels really good. All right, you could stay here, but if you want to add some leg work, lifting that arm up and over and lifting the leg and lower down. You can flow or you could pause. Start feeling sensation, and these are your adductor muscles that allows you to take your abductor muscles allows you to take your leg away from your body. So you could continue to do that. You could pause here and then bend and extend, flex and extend that leg. Really imagine you're pressing something heavy away. Get lots of engagement in that leg. Pause there, maybe add some circles. And take those circles the other direction. And then lower everything down.